Good morning. Yeah. China talk. Anyways, I keep on getting phone calls on my 402-9122 number. It's a business phone. Remember, I run a business, not a strip club. Okay? So all who keep on all these females calling and asking for Gollibop. There's no Gollibop around here. It's my phone. Mine's. Yes. That's been my business phone for 2 years. I don't understand. I don't understand. Alright? I'm tired of horses set of things and say, oh, chin this and chin that and chin. It provoked me a while ago. I said, I just have to do a video. Listen, I don't want nobody to call my phone and ask for me to call. I don't know the next lady. The next lady phone. One out of the two of them. Don't call my phone asking for that man. I already sent my condolences out. Yeah. I don't want nobody to call my phone about Gollibop. I want to say boom, this, that, all type of sitting my too nice, but yet a big girl call. Big girl. Oh, when they hear say a jackpot. What jackpot? No. Me want to see this from a bond. Everybody keep her from yesterday, the day before. Like, I could understand from a long time when the ladies them come used to laugh and be like, oh my God, they used to talk beer things about me and say me a this and me a that. There are females even texting the phone. Nasty. Sending me even naked pictures of their cooch. I don't want to see no more cooch. Please. I don't want to see no more. Okay? That phone is for Boss Chick Records. Boss Chick Records. Sometimes I have my assistant have it. Sometimes I give her a break and have it myself. But don't want no more pum picture on my phone. It's not Gollibop phone. Backside. Or my future. But this is crazy. This is so crazy and unacceptable. I love that every girl wants to walk off of him, and I love the fact that all of who that talk say, oh, chin tomak changi, think chin this, chin that, phone tomak stronger. At least me I clean him up. At that time I know what he was doing. I was cleaning his mouth, his private parts, his armpits, everywheres. Yes. Everywhere. So I know what I was getting myself into. But now I don't know what the hell is going on. So you all know what you're going to get. But I wish you guys all the best on finding him. Please stop calling me phone.
Yeah,